don't think there's anything there, but I hear knocks on the door right here. I think I should open it, alright? Why is it like this? Okay. So let me just put this here for now. Let's open this. What do you see, Sam? The door. Open the door. Okay, that's rats. Oh God, I hate those rats. I really do. Oh no, I really hate the rats. No, this sounds weird, but when they sneak up on you. Ha! Got you! What is it? You want the rat? Hmm? You want the rat? Do that. No. You want to do something else. Let me just go close that. Again. I don't want any spookies coming in here. Right? No spookies. Where are you going now? I have to look for spiders like everywhere. Ah. There's nothing here. You scratching? Ooh. Sam, you really want me to go there, do you? Guys, I'm using this light. This is what I'm using while I'm filming this. So many rats in here. Honestly. Bird is running away. Because they are there. They want the rats. Okay, anyway. Just see for spiders. No spiders. Alright. So many times they're hanging. Ooh, ooh, look at this web. There's a web there already. Don't know where's that spider. This is not good. I think I must go in because I'm bare feet. I don't have any shoes on. Okay, I'll be right back.